We can express concentration of a solution in many ways. One way is percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Instead of the word mass, we can use the word weight. Then we have to use percentage weight by volume. Percentage mass by volume or weight by volume. There's a problem here. Let's solve it. A saline solution contains 0.92% mass by volume of NaCl. How many grams of NaCl are needed to make 40.0 milliliter of solution? A saline solution contains 0.92% mass by volume of NaCl. How many grams of NaCl are needed to make 40.0 milliliter of solution? This is a 0.92% mass by volume of sodium chloride solution. Therefore, every 100 milliliter of this solution has 0.92 grams of NaCl. In 100 milliliter of this saline solution, there are 0.92 grams of NaCl. Then in 40.0 milliliter of this saline solution, how many grams of NaCl are there? You can find the answer in this way: 0.92 grams of NaCl divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 40.0 milliliters. 0.92 grams of NaCl divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 40.0 milliliters. Unit should be cancelled out. Milliliters. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 0.368 grams. If you want, we can write this answer in 2 decimal places in this way. Then our answer 0.37 grams of NaCl. How many grams of NaCl are needed to make 40.0 milliliter of solution? Answer 0.37 grams of sodium chloride. Now let's go to the next problem. A solution contains 2.0% mass by volume of ammonium sulfate. How many grams of ammonium sulfate would be needed to prepare 10 liters of solution? A solution contains 2.0% mass by volume of ammonium sulfate. How many grams of ammonium sulfate would be needed to prepare 10 liters of solution? Mass of the solute should be taken in grams. Volume of the solution should be taken in milliliters. This is 2.0% mass by volume of ammonium solution. Therefore, every 100 milliliter of this solution has 2.0 grams of ammonium sulfate. In 100 milliliter of solution, this solution, there are 2.0 grams of ammonium sulfate. Then in 10,000 milliliter of this solution, 10,000 milliliters mean we have been given 10 liters. We have to convert this 10 liters into milliliters. For that, we have to multiply this 10 by 1000. Then we get 10,000 milliliters. In 100 milliliter of this solution, there are 2.0 grams of ammonium sulfate. Then in 10,000 milliliter of this solution, how many grams of ammonium sulfate are there? We can find the answer in this way: 2.0 grams of ammonium sulfate divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 10,000 milliliters. 2.0 grams ammonium sulfate divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 10,000 milliliters. Unit should be cancelled out. Milliliters. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 200 grams of ammonium sulfate. How many grams of ammonium sulfate would be needed to prepare 10 liters of solution? Then we get our answer 200 grams of ammonium sulfate would be needed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.